Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative and innovative videos on Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit such as fruits and vegetable classification, flower recognition, IPL dataset, face verification and our latest video face recognition. Finally, I will tell little bit gossip of Streamlit. Please listen it carefully. Streamlit is a front-end tool using Python. It is beneficial for simple application. It is open source library in Python. You can create attractive user interface using Streamlit app. No front end like HTML, JavaScript, cascading style sheet knowledge is required while creating app using Streamlit. Login app using Streamlit. So let us go through the simple and interesting beautiful tutorial about Streamlit. Now I will show you the program. This is coding part. Only 8 to 10 7 lines, only 8 to 10 lines are there in this code. Now see what happens when I execute this code. So yes, a nice login form is displayed with with lot of validation also. If I click on login, it is telling that login failed. If I click on wrong username and password, it is again telling wrong fail. So this is a very good looking UI of Streamlit, but it is beneficial for simple application only. Now I will enter the actual correct username and password, email ID. Yes, login successful. So I have successfully done with login app using Streamlit, a basic application of front end part of the Streamlit. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. This is very important tutorial as considering the Streamlit point of view. If anyone want to do Streamlit seriously, thanks for watching the video.